So this is the new edition. Working on this right now. Haven't messed with the quad yet, so pretty excited I'm doing that. All right, guys, so we're back messing with the quad. I pulled the old wiring harness off. She never ran when I got it, so I figured I need a wiring harness. Bought a new wiring harness. Now, I'm pretty sure this isn't doing anything. I tried to hook the multimeter up to it. It's not getting any continuity on or off with power connected to it. I might sound dumb. I really don't know what I'm talking about. This also makes no fucking noise, but it works with this trick right here. It works with that. But in the meantime, carburetor just came in. Went with the same one I put on the stretch pit bike. The Nibby PZ19, I think it was. Yeah, here's that carburetor. This is one of the only carburetors. Nibby's the only brand carburetor I've never had an issue with off the rip. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. All right, chat. We got the carburetor on. The Nibby carb is on there. Went and got that other gas tank when I bought it. The gas can didn't come with a lid. I have another one right here, but it's not the one I need though. It's this. And this was for a pit bike. I thought it was gonna fit, but because the pit bike has the piece of the frame going down the middle is dented like that, and I need to dent it on the sides. Yeah, like right here. I need to dent it up right there. But I'm not too worried about it. I can still get away with using the old one. I just have to figure out a way to finagle a cap on there or something. But on the 450, we don't do too many videos on the 450 now. But we got all black plastics. We got a new exhaust over there. I'll show you in a second. Tusk handlebars. Got rid of these. These were originally for a pit bike, but let somebody ride my bike, they wrecked it. And had to get new handlebars. These were the cheapest ones that I can get that were somewhat close to me. They were local, so I didn't have to wait for shipping. And yeah, that's about it for this right now. Oh, fuck, I forgot. We got that brand new Lex exhaust system for the 450. The exhaust does not fit to the header. It does not fit up over here where that clamp is. So I'm gonna have to go to like Lowe's or something, get a what's this shit called? A cup link, like a metal cup link or something. Everything else fits, like it fits on the bike nice. Up until right here, because I have too much. So where this hole where it's supposed to connect the exhaust to mount it to the subframe, the hole is like way over here. So I'm gonna have to cut an inch or two off of that. And yeah, then she'll be good to go. Oh, also didn't do a video on it, but we do have a brand new clutch on the 450 after the snow. Went ahead and got a brand new clutch. And yeah. All right, chat. So we're back later on in the day. We got a brand new wiring harness for it. We got the wiring harness without all the lights and stuff. So I got her on. I'm about to kick it on, see if it kicks. I mean, not kick, see if it'll start. Oh yeah, we green, boys. Yeah, we green. Just need to get some fuel in there, and I'm gonna hit y'all back when it's running. All right, gang. I was supposed to make a video on it yesterday, but I didn't. I ain't gonna lie, this shit's fun as hell. I've been ripping it around all fucking day so far. making sure she runs and stuff, because this is going to be another flip for the channel, so we're going to see how it goes. But as of right now, I have front plastics, but they're ripped up. I have this piece. I just put this back piece back on this morning. No cap for the gas, so yeah, I'll take that park brake off. And if you're an adult looking at one of these, maybe not, because this shit's pretty, like my son would fit on this shit perfect, but I won't. But it gotta look a little. Almost smacked the tree. But this shit's pretty fun though, I'm not even gonna hold you. Like I said, for a child, this shit's pretty cool. And I'm a grown ass man riding this. This shit's still pretty fun, even though it doesn't go that fast. Hit the brakes hard as hell. Woo! And that's that, chat.